Kidam tang pai pai ni pai ko ra pli la pen in ko ra phor ni la phera long longle ahoi lam ki kachihuri sai phuthak pini ke SYC sai hemalong KSYC KFA KSU asong hin pen pherang ke mai kang ni Kidam tang pai pai ni pai ko ra phor ni la phera long adui ahoi lam ki nang klang ro ka phita karbiang long autonomous council kachari tum thangna dalam ka vedun det pen kang samdun ria bang ke nili tum ning duglo pusi pherang ke mai long ni chepo
We are concerned about the mounting tension in area along the border, particularly in and around Fair. As appeared in a section of media following the joint press conference, there have been 3 instances of a section public with police personnel from Meghalaya intruding into areas within West Karbi Anglong. The recent one was on the 25th of August 2021. We strongly condemn have been potential cause of a serious law and order situation in the area. We appreciate the Assam police and the general public of the area for hurting on imminent law and order situation.
Kidam tang jakhong ni phain ko ra ke thomarni Assam la pen Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma la pen Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma banghini ka chingwai give and take policy along West Karbi Anglong adui ahoi Block 1 pen Block 2 Meghalaya phan ki PG polama bangke nitum chedonu thekthe puta pirang ke amai long ninje ponthu
tang July ko ra ke thomarni Shillong along Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma la pen ke Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma alang tum ka chingwai long hala so give and take alamal tum chingwai ponlo Harso give and take along gala tum song se pulo je khana para bangke Assam phanang pidian non la pen ke block 1 block 2 la bangke Meghalaya sor phan pidian na walang tum la bang so ka chikroi la bangke nilitung kroi thekthe athema Karbi Anglong along le chepang pudet pensi Assam along le chepang dangji la pu bangke tum kai ke por tamini tum kroi thekthe la se non la bang so asoluk so da tumona ke jab longpok la ta hala so taring ko ra trop July arni ka chingkidet pe na PC arni wang sitame Meghalaya sor bangke alang tu angkin cepat hebom si Karbi Anglong along le alang tu nagi cheraiji phan bori bom lo
Jongsi pidet pulo te la ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kachari tum la pen Karbi Anglong MP la pen MLA tum adai che enangji la pen bang sorni bangke ke bang ji obe kimia tum phana bangke arni ki ikasonsi nang mandet puta phirang ke amai long ninje po
constitutional boundary except now till today nitum list paper ajolong history and langdao pulo te la 1951 the poetry they 1951 the poetry ate Assam government ke unitarily amithang si alang tum lasu gazette notification 13 April 1951 alang tum si Assam government si direct purpose
Hala KAAC hin pen kanije ponthu tengke Assam government pen Meghalaya tum kachingwai give and take policy along ke jongdam analamta nilitum kroidunde athe constitutional boundary atengsi dobernang ji pusi Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Assam Govt la pen Meghalaya Govt tum phan partak pen thanpo
give and take policy etu policy logo jodi Karbi Anglong mati jodi korba area jodi Meghalaya government khane dibologia hoy jay etu ami Assam government against to ami protest korim tar pasot amar Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council against government against ami protest koribologia paito etu
News report Longsodar Karbi Anglong Live